Today we'll take a closer look at Santa Maria National High School preparation for campus journalism. As the competition approaches, coaches and student journalists are gearing up for the Cluster 7 Schools Press Conference that will be held on January 19, 2026.
I'm with Daddy Flores. As a journalist, why is it important to prepare for the upcoming competition?
It is very important to be prepared for the upcoming competition para maipanalo natin ang ating school at para rin maging handa para sa darating na laban.
Ricky Herrera,
Cyrus Manikis,
The Carver.